Hello everyone, my name is Julian. I'm an 11th grader in high school. Wait, I'm a junior in high school. Yeah.
Get your facts straight.
Okay, well, this may not be a good first impression. Anyway, yeah, so this is my sister.
Hi, I'm Viola. I am entering my sophomore year at UCLA, studying piano, because, you know, I am a failure of a nation. I am not an engineer or a doctor, which are the two things that apparently, you know.
Or a lawyer.
Or
to be a lawyer.
Yeah, but you can't go to law school until grad school. But anyway, that's not the point. So, this is our first week of vlogging. We're just trying it out. It might be kind of fun, you know. Right now, obviously, I'm driving, so I can't actually look at the camera, which is kind of awkward, but hi!
So this vlog is hopefully gonna come out weekly. Hopefully I can get it out on time.
Yep.
We're gonna be vlogging from two different perspectives. It might not be that noticeable now because we're in the same place, but when Viola goes back to college, then it'll be kind of interesting. So we hope you enjoy our life, but it may or may not be very interesting.
It's gonna be fun
But,
for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not sure how long this is gonna last. Hopefully a while.
Yep.
But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. So today we took apart a bunk bed that has been in this room for several years.
No, more than several.
Oh.
We moved here like 10 years ago.
More than several years.
We moved here 10 years ago. I think this bed is from when I was like 5, so that's almost 14 years. And we just took it apart, so that was fun.
Yeah.
We escaped with no less than 2 injuries.
Yeah,
But you know.
I have a small one here from Morris to stab me. Scrape me.
Don't take apart loft beds, kids. You might get stabbed. Okay, now we have to take this down and do saran wrapping. Okay. I need shoes.
I think don't we
It's
go
filthy.
that way? Oh, you need shoes. I also would like shoes.
This one matters. I can't tell.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This?
It's the one next to it. Yeah.
Huh. I can't even tell. But yours and Daddy's look exactly the same.
Mine has this thing in the middle.
Oh. I mean, I guess if you saw it every day, then you would know it. But I just
Yeah.
to the outsider.
Let's go outside.
So, peekaboo. This is so overgrown.
Yeah, this is gigantic.
Yeah. And also this, oh my god.
To anyone who's watching,
There's so many spider webs. Your
Yeah.
favorite.
anyone who's watching, we don't go out. You might be able to
never
tell, but
come
we
in
don't
here.
go.
There are literally
Yeah.
spider webs everywhere. We haven't been in here. I don't think I've been in here for like 4 years. Where's the saran wrap?
Yeah, as you might be able to tell, we haven't ridden our bikes in
about 4 years.
They're all in here.
Yeah, I forgot.
Although I think ours are actually in the garage.
Ours
Or no,
are right
ours are
there.
right there. Never mind. That was a joke.
Okay.
Okay, so
Where's
what?
this? I don't know. Okay,
What are we even looking for?
So it's kind of like saran wrap, but it's
Is
what
it
you,
like this?
yeah, it's like what you wrap stuff if you're gonna move. So I think it's something like that.
Oh, I have a spider web attached to
I
this. It's
told
absolutely
you.
beautiful. I didn't know we had a filter in here.
You know, that might be useful next time you don't have to go buy one.
I don't think it fits though. I think it's a different
You know, that's
size.
probably why it's in here, because you got the wrong size. It's probably because you guys bought the wrong one, because you never remember.
Well, this was a long time ago.
To be fair, I never remember.
We don't buy these ones anymore.
Oh, really?
I don't think we bought those for a long time.
I think I'm on an expedition right now. Through the jungle. There's a cobweb on my ankle. What are we looking for?
There's bubble wrap.
think that's what we're looking for. Okay, I actually just don't know.
So anyway, when we find the saran wrap or whatever,
there's a ginormous spider web right there.
when we find the saran wrap, we'll continue filming, I guess.
Okay, so we found it. Eventually.
Apparently, it was not.
We were looking in the wrong garage.
Yeah, that was awesome. My dad thought we were stupid.
We are stupid.
I guess he's not wrong. Oh well, okay, so there were spider webs on it, so now there are not spider webs on it, I think. Never mind.
So this is gonna take a while. This is our final layout, so this means nothing. Okay, what should we wrap first?
Well, let's wrap the big one first.
This? Okay.
Yeah.
There's nothing else that's this size, so I guess this goes by itself. Okay. We are not experts. Please don't follow our example. This is not a tutorial. Just in case.
So we figured it out. It's a little wrinkly.
It's a little rough. We're having some problems.
Yeah, but it's not going too badly, I think. At least we got it wrapped and it's like together.
Are we supposed to wrap it the other way too? Or
I don't.
Is this good?
I don't think it matters. I think it just needs to like stay together, or something. I don't know. Why are we wrapping this anyway? That's the real question.
No one told us. We're just kind of lost. No one told us what we're doing.
You want to go ask Daddy?
We need help. Just to bundle everything up so we don't like lose bits of it.
Well, yeah.
So we don't have to. I don't think we have to cover every part of it. It's just like a matter of keeping pieces together.
Yeah,
so that's exciting.
That's exciting.
If anyone is wondering why we're taking apart a bed in the first place,
It's just because we don't need it and it takes up room.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not just because. Isn't it also because your friends are coming?
Well, that's the reason we're cleaning up the room. So that is kind of what spurred this project. But like, if it was just because they were coming, then we would be putting it back together after they left, right? That doesn't make a lot of sense.
That's true.
So we finally wrapped all our pieces. There's more over there. This was the most terrible thing we've ever done, and we failed a lot. Yeah. So I guess now we put them in the garage.
How long did that take anyway? Like half an hour?
Probably.
It's actually not that bad.
No, it's not, but still.
Could have been way worse, considering how we were doing it at first.
That's true. Okay, we should start putting them in the garage.
I'm gonna go put this back.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Well,
I don't think you can do anything about it though. Nothing. Our saran wrapping skills are not very good.
okay.
We don't have very good wrapping skills. What are you doing? It's not working, look.
I know it's not working.
It's not working. That's not how it works. Okay, you can try again. No, it's not really saran wrap.
It's like the saran wrap, except not.
It's like for moving stuff, yeah. Is it working? It's kind of working. Yeah, okay, good enough. Go, Julian, go.
This is so stupid.
This is the stupidest thing ever. Oh, God.
Now I really feel bad for construction workers.
Yeah, they have it 5,000 times worse. Bye!
Here's the final pieces. Not the tape, but we just have to put all the screws with the bed in case they donate it or something, and then they'll have screws for the bed so they can put the bed together and whatever. So we'll just alright, so here's the final piece. Don't know if this will actually hold it, but for now it should be good. I don't want to do it anymore. So we're at Costco. We have to do some shopping. What's the list anyway?
It just says fruit.
Apparently we're getting fruit, but we don't know what fruit to get. We've been getting peaches a lot though. Do you want more peaches?
It's not peach season. Maybe we should just leave this to Mari and Daddy. They can deal with this.
We got samples. Exciting. More samples.
I have our stuff, guys. I got another one.
How many samples does this make it? Like,
this is only the second one of these.
so now this is like 3 sandwiches and what's like 7 samples?
That's what Costco is for.
Right, she got another sample.
But where's Dad? That's what
Who knows? Somewhere in
Okay.
Costco.
We're gonna pull out the ultimate weapon.
Find my friends? Oh.
I don't have him on Find My Friends. He blocked me.
Mimi. I don't think she likes me. So we're going to Viola's workplace so we can scan documents or something.
So this is actually our dad's office. But I'm basically like an intern with one of his friends. So long story short, there's a lot of work I need to do at his office. So yeah, that's why we're going there on a weekend, and we have the key, which is great. And hopefully there'll be no one there so I can monopolize the scanner like usual. People sometimes, I don't think they get mad, but I think they get annoyed because all the scans go to one directory, like on the network, you know what I mean? Like one folder, right? So if multiple people are scanning on different scanners at the same time, it all goes to one folder. And it gets really confusing because then you don't know which one is yours. And I think I've taken other people's scans by accident like 3 or 4 times. So I think people actually get kind of annoyed, but you know, I'm getting paid. So, and also I'm the client. So it's not like they can fire me. So that's pretty good. So I thought it would be good to talk briefly about why we started this.
Yeah, since we have some time while driving.
Yeah, it's about like at least a 20-minute drive, probably like 25, 30. So actually this was kind of like on a whim, right? It was kind of just random. It was just kind of like, let's just try it out, see what happens. It could be fun, you know. Julian, I mean, we both watch a lot of vloggers, I think.
I mean, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I was like, I'll wait until college or something, assuming I get it. But
true, and I'm at college, so that could be interesting.
Yeah, and I had already been watching Steven vlog for a long time. So yesterday when we were taking apart the bed, we were just like, I said, "This if I had a vlog, this is what I would vlog about." And then Sophia was like, "Well, let's do a vlog." So then we did it.
Like, why not? It's just like kind of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's for us especially. Our whole family is kind of introverted. We don't like to socialize. I mean, it's not that we don't like to socialize. It's just that socializing for a long period of time is very tiring. And then over summer break, like sometimes I talk to my friends from school, but not as much. And I feel like there's a lot of stuff I'm doing that they don't know about, which is fine. It's just like, this seems like actually a very convenient way to not only have a bit of fun, but also like, hey, friends and family who don't live anywhere near us, who we don't talk to very often, if you're interested, right? Especially, we have a lot of relatives in Taiwan, which of course is very far away. We don't really see them very often, so it might be good. They might be interested to know what we're doing.
And another reason we started this vlog is because our dad really likes taking pictures and leave a record of our life, because memory is not very reliable a lot of the time.
Not at all.
and so we have like 3 hard drives like full of pictures from a long time, like at least our entire life. Like our entire life is stored in those hard drives. And it, like, because Viola's going to college right now, so she's not going to be able to have our dad there to take pictures for her and stuff. So we thought maybe we'll make a record of our own so we can do this. Yeah. So I thought it would be fun.
It's also a good way for us to stay in touch. Like when I was at college, I felt like I didn't really talk to my family very much. Like, Julian doesn't text back most of the time, just FYI. He just does not text back. So I feel like we just didn't have that much communication. And it might be fun. Like, I personally would like to know more of what's going on in his life when I'm not here. Like, I feel like that's pretty interesting. Or like what my parents are up to, that kind of thing, that's actually very interesting to me. And so maybe my family's interested in what I'm doing at college, right?
We worked. Yeah. And we made $75 that we can use to spend on food, because now we're hungry.
Yeah, why are we hungry? It's literally like 4 o'clock. Yeah, literally 4:01. We shouldn't be hungry yet. We ate so many Costco samples.
Okay. So now we're going to piano lesson that you're teaching.
I'm doing a private lesson with someone who lives kind of nearby, not really. So I'm gonna dump Julian at a Starbucks, but while I dump him at a Starbucks, we're just gonna get some food, so we're not hungry, because we just worked and made money. This is how I'm gonna lose all my money once I'm an adult, is just I'm gonna make money and I'm gonna spend it all immediately.
Finally, we're on our way home. While I was at Starbucks, I watched some of the vlog footage and realized that a lot of the time when I was vlogging myself, because obviously I can't see myself, right, because I turned the camera around, apparently, like, the top half of my head was cut off most of the time. I don't even know how this looks right now. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, that was interesting.
Yeah.
So what are you doing anyway? Hat. Hey, hat. Where is it? Ta-da! See? Cat.
瓶装的 garbage disposal. Isn't that pretty?
Sure.
Yeah. 这是我第一个组装的，然后 spend a lot of time to actually figure out what to do. And this is the second one.
Why is this one different?
Because this one has sound. Basically, it's quiet.
Is it?
Well, sure. I see the original one. 看，这是旧的，这是 the old one. It's been broken for, I don't know, more than half a year. We finally decided to replace it because it started leaking.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah. So we think that it's time. Okay, so it's really great. I did it.
Good job.
I've never done it before, so it was cool. See? Isn't that cute?
I don't know if I would call it cute. It's really cool.
Yeah. This is a better design as well, so you can actually clean it up easier. The original one that you cannot take this out.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's why I want to get this different model. And also it looks a lot prettier.
So here we have a wild Viola driving me for the first time.
Haven't crashed yet.
Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What an amazing feat. Do you want a gold star?
Yes, actually, I'd appreciate it. So it's 11:36. Julian doesn't, we're early. Okay. Well, let's just drive slowly. Because
Okay.
Julian doesn't get out till 12:23. We're gonna go get Julian. And
Yes.
Julian also doesn't know that Rachel is here. And he definitely doesn't know that she's on the car.
On the car? I'm not on the car.
Do you say in the car?
I say in the car.
I think I say both.
Because if you're on the car, I feel like you're on top of the
That's
car.
But I've heard it both ways.
Okay.
People do say both.
Okay.
So anyway, yeah, we'll see how that goes. You're too delighted. Maybe we can scare Julian too.
But how would I scare him? Wait, does your middle thing pop out? Wait, how about
No.
you just stuff me in the trunk and then I can just like leave because the seats go down, right?
What?
Don't the seats go down in the back?
I don't know if the trunk is a separate compartment or not, or if it's the part of the whole car. Because sometimes
Okay.
they're not.
Okay, well how would I scare him?
Just crouch down the back so he can't see you when he walks to the car. He's gonna open that door because he's gonna put his saxophones in the back. So you can scare him when he opens it, like right when he
Okay.
opens it.
Does he spook easily?
Probably not the same as me. So like if we're really not expecting you and you jump out, then probably, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. So
good to know. Yeah, so Viola didn't know that I was gonna be here, and I scared the living daylight out of her earlier today.
This is why I don't watch horror movies. I don't like things jumping at me.
I didn't jump at you, I just screamed.
That's the same thing. I don't like surprises, okay? Oh, dear.
I heard you coming in and I was like going down the stairs and I was like, wait, I have to be quiet, can't just stomp down the stairs.
Well, you could.
Yeah, but I decided to be dainty, I guess.
Congratulations.
Thanks. It is very unlike me because I have loud footsteps.
See it very, oh, you can't see it very well, but it's right there. That says walk your horse or bike. So that's that's how you know how old this town is.
What the f- That's... Well, I wonder what the population is here. I want a horse. I'm gonna embarrass him.
You won't.
What's up, Julian?
He looks very unimpressed.
Are you surprised to see me? What the you?
Jua, did you know? You didn't know about this, did you?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, apparently mommy only found out last night,
Yeah.
Oh.
and I didn't know at all, so.
Yeah, I told your dad like 2 weeks ago or something.
That's not surprising.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm putting this in the vlog.
Please don't. It's the worst thing.
Hello.
It's like here.
Oh my god, it's your height.
I know.
Kelsey.
That's your room. That's your room. Like the floor. Not the floor. There isn't even a floor. You can look inside. There's no floor. It's all storage.
So bad.
Yeah, it's all storage.
Wait, I could actually like.
Yeah, look.
你们
I can go in here without hitting
Oh, wow.
So sad.
Anyway, people are here.
Indeed.
One of them is dead.
Still dead.
Right now I'm at Tea Crepes with my friend Joel. Yeah, so we just ordered. It's right after school. And anyway, now we're just gonna watch Abroad in Japan videos because this is what we do every time. We had fun. Now he's giving me home because Viola took the car.
Giving you a home.
No, he's driving me home because Viola took the car to go to Tahoe or wherever she is now.
We look like tomatoes.
I know.
I know. We just finished a little hike where me and Kelsey almost died, but thanks to our little buddies here, we're going to pick up
A package. We're going to Ramsey.
Young Sins whatever on an Amazon truck. So yes, that's another like 62 miles or something like that. And then we're gonna take a cold shower. Exciting. Tomato out.
The food is coming, increasing in number one by one. I have to say it really dramatically.
Advertisement voice or something?
No, not really. We're at Lotus 8. It's pretty good, I would say. We're at Mongolian barbecue with the people like that. And then the other two are in the line somewhere. Look, it's car at 5.
This is thrift store. 这个是你的。
Thanks. I see.
I really hope our plants don't die next year.
They will.
Yeah.
will kill
你们还可以有 competition 看谁 who killed the plant first.
Oh no.
Oh no. I think that's so cute too.
Oh yeah, that one's like a little. I think. That one's honestly kind of scary. They are a little different.
我想你唯一有可能会把它杀的是你浇太多水。
That's true.
因为这种没有。
That's it for this week. Now that's all that's left to do is finish editing and upload it. See you next week.